myself I'd never say. If I had found the words, you might have stayed. But as I turned to speak, the music played. As lovers dance their way around the floor, I sat and watched you walk towards the door. I heard a friend of yours suggest you stay, and as you took his hand, the music played. Across the darkened room, the fatal sun I saw, giving something more than friends before. While I was hurting you by clinging to my pride, we had been waiting, and I dragged me to your side. I couldn't say the things I should have said, refused to let my heart control my head. But I was made to say the price I paid. And as he held you close, the music played. Your love, the music plays.